Hello and welcome to the Swiss Alps. I'm in the cheapy ski resort of Davos. It's great here for skiing. And once a year, Davos is put on the map for the World Economic Forum, and all the world's leaders come for it in that building down there. But the problem is all the restaurants up the mountain are really expensive, and most of them, the price for a bowl of soup is about £15, it's about $20 US.
Ready? Hot. Get a serviette.
As soon as you've skied down to Davos, right opposite the piste is a restaurant called Restaurant Dorfji, and it's so cheap and delicious. This is an amazing skier's lunch. Look at that sausage, the breakfast, the chips, a salad, and it only cost me 9 Swiss francs 90. That's about £7 or $10. Better still, I'm allowed to get free tap water. Up the mountain, the tap water would have cost me about $5, and the chips alone would have cost the same. So fantastic, fantastic value.
Very nice.